You may have read we went to the cremation of one of Pin's uncles in the last week of July 2025. I've put together a few snaps and a few video clips, and this, I hope, will give you a flavour of what a cremation in Thailand is like. Although Pin was there all week, we went together on the Tuesday night, 2 days before the actual cremation. Here's a quick look at some of the things that go on before the cremation.
เมื่อใช้แล้วจะชนะใจศัตรู 5. ความซื่อสัตย์เมื่อใช้แล้วจะชนะใจคนรัก 6. ความรักเมื่อใช้แล้วจะชนะใจศัตรู
It's the day of the cremation. Pin's uncle. We're at the watch, and we are hoping it will be good. There's a huge number of people here. I've just had my name called out after a lot of the monk chanting. I strongly suspect it was to give the monks one of these gowns, cloths that they are presented with. But I'm dog sitting, so Pin's gone up. My job today, look after Satang. Who is here? Hello, Tang. Hello, darling. Are you enjoying it? Well, that was quite interesting. The monk that did my blessing dedication when I was diagnosed with cancer just said hello and said, "Oh, long time no see." It took me a second to recognize him, but yeah, very nice. Here is Pin doing a water monitoring bit. It's now time to eat. It's a bit communal, really. The bowls are there for sharing, and so we'll see how we go. By the way, the meat dish is buffalo. I'm actually not parked in the cremation place. There's so many people here that there's no room, so we're like in an overflow, somebody's house or a farm or whatever. There are 2 simultaneous cremations going on. They'll do the service for one first, then the other, then burn both the bodies together. This is what I've been told. I've never known this. It's a new one on me. Riches from flowers, eh?
We have number inside. You get oil for cooking oil.
And that brought the cremation and all the preparation to an end. I hope you found this interesting. Let me know.